Over 4,000 years ago, a species known as the Sanshayum discovered a mysterious and ancient vessel on their homeworld, a dreadnought left behind by an advanced race of beings known as the Forerunners. For centuries, a radical sect within their kind searched the galaxy for more artifacts, eventually stumbling upon another species, the Sangheili, a military-centric culture who were also familiar with the Forerunner technology. This encounter soon turned to war, and after decades of bloodshed, when the conflict seemed to be without end, a truce was agreed upon and a covenant was forged. Within this new union, the Sanshayum would handle religious affairs and the Sangheili military ones, the two forming a powerful alliance, eventually grafting in other species or destroying them in the process. First came the Lek Golo, worm-like creatures which could form into massive, hulking warriors during combat. Second, the Yan Meye, a vicious arthropod culture which the Covenant would leverage for both utility and combat purposes. Then the Kig Yar, a bird-like civilization of pirates who were contracted as mercenaries. Next, a small worker species known as the Ungoi were brought in with large numbers. And finally, the Jirohanai, a savage and primitive culture perpetually on the brink of civil war. In 2525, humanity would encounter the Covenant war machine firsthand, providing their own name for each of the species: prophets, elites, hunters, drones, jackals, skirmishers, grunts, and brutes. Though their war with the Covenant raged on for decades, they eventually gained victory when the elites, reeling from a sudden and violent betrayal, struck back at the prophets.
All cruisers fire at will. Burn their mongrel hides.
It was there, over the surface of the Forerunner structure known as the Ark, that the Covenant would find their devastating end. The current state of the species, which once served the Covenant, remains unknown.
Things look different, without the Prophet's lies clouding my vision. I would like to see our own world, to know that it is safe.
Fear not, for we have made it so.